In this video, I'll detail how to fix iMessage not sending on iPhone. So this could be iPhone 12, it could be iPhone 15, or even iPhone 6. So this is going to provide you with general approach on how you can easily fix iMessage not sending or iMessage not working on your iPhone. So if you're new to this video, if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, there are a few ways or several approaches you can use to fix iMessage not sending on your iPhone. If you're trying to send an iMessage, then you want to make sure that the person receiving the iMessage is using iPhone and the person has iMessage activated. So in this case, you can see this is an iMessage message. This is because this person turned on iMessage. That is why all these messages were sent and it got delivered. However, if the person turned on iMessage, but whenever you send iMessage on your iPhone, the iMessage will not send, then you need to do this. Just go to your iPhone settings. Now on the settings page, open the message app. If you're using iOS 17 series or earlier, just open the message app on the settings page. If you're using iOS 18, go down and click on apps. Then scroll down and locate the message app. Just scroll down, locate the message app and click on it. Now the first thing to do is, if you are saying waiting for activation where you see send and receive, it means your iMessage is not activated. So if your iMessage is not activated, you'll not be able to receive or send iMessage on your iPhone. The quickest way you can use to fix this is come here, turn off iMessage. So go back, close the setting page. So once you close the settings page, open the settings again. Then repeat the process, open the message app on your iOS 17 or earlier or on iOS 18. Once you open the message, you should see iMessage deactivated. Then turn on this feature and hang on. You can see waiting for activation. So if this waiting for activation remain active here, you should not be able to send message on your iPhone using iMessage. And as you can see, instantly my iMessage is activated. You want to ensure that iMessage is turned on, and when you see send and receive, you see addresses here, my phone number, my email that you can use to contact me via message. If you have all of this active here, then you'll be able to use or send iMessage. However, click on send and receive to see all the addresses can use to send and receive reply from iMessage. In this case, maybe you want to use all of these addresses to start a new conversation on. You need to click on the contact where you want to start a new conversation on using iMessage. So if you selected phone number here, you should be able to use iMessage on your iPhone using your phone number. But if you select your Apple ID account, any of this, you will not be able to use your phone number to start a conversation unless you use your email. So here, if you can receive an iMessage to and reply from. If you uncheck your phone number, like you remove your phone number from this contact, you will not be able to receive iMessage or send iMessage using your phone number. Also, if you remove the email, you will not be able to use your email to send iMessage on your iPhone. So just make sure you check the option you want to use to send and receive iMessage on your iPhone under the iMessage send and receive page. Then once that is turned on, then you're good to go. This should fix your iMessage not sending. Alternatively, if the receiver does not have iMessage, you can always send your iMessage as SMS. All you just need to do is scroll down here and click on send as text message. So once you turn on send a text message, so when next you want to send iMessage on your iPhone and the person is not using iPhone, the iMessage will be sent as text. So suppose you disable send as text, then open the iMessage application. Then you can see this person is using iMessage. I'll be able to send message to this person using iMessage. However, if I go ahead, choose someone that is not using iMessage, then I send a text to him, the message will be sent as text SMS. So that's the more reason why you need to turn on send as SMS or send as text on your iPhone. If your iMessage is not working, you'll be able to send the message as SMS. So these are the few steps you need to take to fix iMessage not sending on your iPhone. If you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.